fulfilling our mission to position Greece at the forefront of global tech innovation. And the winner is
Dimitris Singos.
Singos. Let's welcome Dimitris on stage. Okay, so you're going to bear with us because you have a long biography. I don't know if they have done that before, maybe having you on stage and reciting their biography, but we're going to do it because we want everyone to know what you have done, which is amazing. So Dimitris Singos is a technology entrepreneur and the founder and CEO of StarTech Ventures. I think you all know them. A venture builder and pre-seed and seed investor headquartered in Athens. He is deeply focused on entrepreneurship, particularly on creating repeatable and capital-efficient growth models